And welcome to Granny Horse Training. It's June 4th and I haven't put a saddle on her in a little while, so we're going to see how she likes this and how she likes this saddle. Now when I bring it to you, that's one thing, right? That's fine. Right, and put it on your back. That's fine. Okay. Let's get this on your back. Now, she has been exploring this. She doesn't need to do that much more exploring on it. Gonna let me cinch her up today. Now I don't have any stirrups on this because my stirrups that are like on the synthetic saddle. So, not like I'd be riding her right now anyhow. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just stand. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. You're all right. Now this is a nice Martin saddle. It's got an adjustable, get over here where you can see. It's got an adjustable rigging on it. So I can change the position where the rigging is. The rigging is right here on the saddle where the cinch goes up. I'm always nervous, a little nervous about the horse getting the saddle on her because she is so young. She's had on before and had on a few times. She hasn't had any bad reactions to it. I didn't put the back cinch on just because it adds weight to the saddle and I was just putting it on and off. But it might be a good idea to have it on it. Let's see how she's doing here. Can you come over here and just stand a minute? Back. Good girl. This cinch just needs to come down a little bit on the other side, I think. I don't think it's getting pretty full there. I don't have it adjusted as well as it could be adjusted for. Yeah. And I also want to let her know that I'm paying attention to her and how she feels. Just kind of watching her. Just a little walking around. Let's do that. Let's just do a little walking around. Good. I'm also running low on treats in my pocket too. I use so much getting the saddle on her. Again, she's very mutton withered, so that's a problem. Whether she's going to gain a little bit of wither there, I don't know. Probably not. She is what she is. She's 3. And this is a 7-inch gullet. Let's see how she feels about bringing the leg up. Good girl. Good girl. I'm running out of treats already. Well, let me stop this. Thanks for watching. This is Granny Horse Training. I always take a lot of time on the saddling of the horse. Just do it slow. It's not a big deal. And, you know, maybe you don't ride them the first lots of times. Just saddle them up tons of times before you're actually riding them. Let them have the saddle be a good experience and don't immediately make it bad for them. Thanks for watching. Bye now.